Yo guys, I just got my first ever PR box from Aromate Ghana and I am so excited guys. Aromate Ghana, thank you so much, okay, for this amazing gift. So guys, let's unbox together to see the goodies I have here, okay? If you are new to this channel, I am Hirat and you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share, okay? And this is my first goodies. And here I have the tomato flavor seasoning, and with this seasoning you can add it to your stews or soup for that flavor, okay? Make sure to grab yours at the nearby supermarket, okay? So with this one, it is made with onions and garlic and some natural spices. And here I have some chicken seasoning, and you can use it to season your chicken and more. And with this, we have the shrimp seasoning. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and make sure to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a recipe using all these goodies, okay? Make sure you do that. So they made small sizes also. So in case you can't afford the big ones, you can just go for the small ones and then you are good to go. Thank you so much, Aromate Ghana. And I can't wait for other brands to reach out to me again. Thank you so much. So these are all the goodies I got from Aromate Ghana for free. Yes, I got them for free. And here I had this yasunanshi apron and the color is giving. They gave me yellow apron and I love it very much. So this is the end of this video. So if you enjoy this video, please give me a very big thumbs up. Okay, bye.